In a shocking daylight assault on the Sumy frontline, Ukrainian FPV drone units unleashed a devastating strike on a group of Russian Marines, attempting to cross a river under heavy camouflage. What was supposed to be a covert crossing quickly turned into a nightmare as Ukrainian drone operators locked onto their targets and unleashed precise, deadly blows from above. The Russian troops, believed to be part of a specialized Marine detachment, were trying to transport ammunition and supplies across the river in small boats. However, Ukrainian reconnaissance drones had already spotted the movement hours earlier, quietly tracking their every step before the FPV units were deployed for the kill. As the first boat reached the center of the river, a Ukrainian FPV drone dived sharply from the sky, its camera feed showing the exact moment it slammed into the vessel's midsection. A massive explosion followed, sending a column of water and debris shooting into the air. The boat split in two, throwing Russian soldiers into the freezing water. Moments later, a second drone appeared in the video footage, diving toward another boat struggling to turn back. Within seconds, it made contact. The impact detonated the stored ammunition, engulfing the boat in a fireball that illuminated the river like a torch. The shockwave rippled across the water, leaving nothing but burning wreckage. Ukrainian soldiers observing from the opposite riverbank could be heard shouting in excitement as the FPV teams hit one target after another. "Direct hit! Another one down!" a voice exclaimed through the radio feed. The precision and coordination of the attack left little chance for the Marines to survive. The remaining Russian troops panicked, abandoning their boats and trying to swim back toward the shore. But the drones didn't stop. One after another, Ukrainian FPVs hunted down the swimmers, exploding within meters of their positions, leaving the river stained with oil, wood, and fragments of destroyed boats. Military analysts say this ambush is part of Ukraine's growing mastery of FPV drone warfare, a domain in which they've gained a decisive edge. Unlike artillery or missiles, these drones offer unparalleled flexibility, capable of maneuvering through forest canopies and narrow valleys to strike even the smallest moving targets. The Sumy region has recently become a hotspot for Russian infiltration attempts, with enemy troops trying to probe Ukrainian defenses using small assault groups. But Ukrainian drone operators, working from hidden forward bases, have turned the terrain into a death trap for any force that dares to move in daylight. According to field reports, the entire Russian Marine operation was annihilated within minutes. Out of the 6 boats identified by Ukrainian reconnaissance, none made it to the opposite shore. The few who survived the explosions were left stranded in the water, easy prey for follow-up drone strikes and Ukrainian small arms fire. Video footage released by Ukrainian sources shows the sheer chaos of the attack, drones speeding just above the river's surface before colliding with their targets in blinding flashes. The footage quickly spread across social media, with viewers calling it one of the most precise FPV operations yet captured. Russian command channels reportedly went silent after the ambush. Attempts to send rescue units to the site were quickly abandoned due to the continued drone presence. Ukrainian operators maintained aerial dominance, scanning the area for any further movement and striking again whenever they detected survivors. The psychological toll on Russian troops is said to be enormous. Survivors described the sound of approaching drones as a death whistle, an unmistakable warning that no amount of camouflage or water could protect them from the incoming explosion. Ukrainian military spokesman hailed the strike as another demonstration of precision warfare and tactical superiority. "The message is clear," one officer said. "No river, no forest, and no hiding spot can shield the invaders from our eyes in the sky." He continued, emphasizing how these FPV operations have reshaped the balance of power along the border. "Every crossing attempt, every convoy, every infiltration route, we see it all. The Russians are learning the hard way that their old tactics no longer work." His statement resonated across Ukrainian social media, celebrated as proof that technology and courage could outmatch brute force. Experts note that Ukraine's expanding use of FPV drones has transformed even routine river crossings into life-or-death gambles for Russian forces. Modern warfare, once dependent on artillery dominance, has shifted to a new dimension where small, inexpensive drones can deliver surgical strikes with terrifying accuracy. Analysts predict that Russia will now have to divert valuable resources to develop counter-drone defenses or risk suffering the same fate again and again. "This is no longer just a tactical advantage," said one defense analyst in Kyiv. "It's psychological warfare. Every Russian soldier now knows that the next buzzing sound above them could be their last."